Your next car could be the 2021 Nissan Titan. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 45,000 miles on the odometer. You'll love the comfort of this handsome Titan. Its serene cabin, luxurious seating, and quick acceleration elevate every excursion. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: heated steering wheel, heated and/or cooled front seats, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, panoramic roof, navigation system, keyless entry, moonroof, sun moonroof, power passenger seat, fog lamps. Add a new level of luxury to every excursion in this handsome Titan. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.